Good afternoon. Today's article is not extremely scientific, but extremely inspiring. What are you doing? Hiding from COVID? That's good. That's excellent. Stay at home, wear a mask when you're outside, and don't just waste your entire day drinking beer and watching Netflix. Follow these guys. They're a group of dermatologists who spent this time repurposing their skin treatment UVB system into an N95 mask disinfection system. So this is a pre-proof, means it's about to get published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology, which is a pretty decent journal. So this group assessed ultraviolet germicidal irradiation as a possible method for respirator disinfection to facilitate reuse during the current pandemic. This article is a short letter to the editor, where the researchers go into discussion of UVB and UVC. They note that dermatology offices often use narrow band UVB to treat skin conditions, and they're proposing to repurpose it for treatment of N95 masks. It was previously shown by many scientists that UVC can inactivate pathogens and viruses through DNA damage. And of course, UVC can inactivate coronavirus. A study referenced here found H1N1 influenza contaminated respirators. They saw significant reduction, more than 3 log reduction, or 99.9% reduction in viable influenza after irradiating for 60 to 70 seconds at 17 milliwatt per square centimeter, resulting in a dose of about 1 joule. Higher doses did not lead to an increase in activation. They also recommend to treat used masks, but not visibly soiled ones. So if it needs washing with water and soap, it's probably not good for disinfection with UV. The authors claim, based on the references, that the dose needed is around 1 joule per square centimeter. Higher doses would lead to damage to the mask and are not necessary. In their device, which you can see the picture here, they delivered the dose of 1 joule per square centimeter in 1 minute 40 seconds of radiation at 10 milliwatt per square centimeter. Previous studies of 4 different models of N95 masks at 120 to 950 joules per square centimeter showed a small but not insignificant particle penetration, up to 1.5% increase. So we do need to treat at lower doses. Another study showed that dose over 2000 joules per square centimeter reduced breaking strength of the strap by 20 to 51%. So it's important to note that those doses are 100 to 1,000 times higher than those needed to get rid of influenza. In conclusion, I want to say that this is a pretty amazing fit. They take their spare time and their resources and they convert their existing system into something that we can use to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. I applaud them. I recommend for all of us to focus our effort not on learning how that next Netflix episode ends, but on designing solutions to try to fight this pandemic. Thank you guys. Take care.